Ladies and gentlemen, I have some absolutely amazing and huge news for the keyboard community. It's finally here. The GMMK2. This keyboard, hecking dope. It looks sick. You know, you've got some people need the full-size keyboard, or slightly less than the full size. And then some people, you know, they want to have the compact. Well, when I was building this beautiful keyboard, the Timibug 1, I didn't want the compact, because compact is just this. Delete is literally one of the most important keys that I use for editing, and to not have that would take up so much extra time. I'm so incredibly excited, because as you can see from this picture here, this is a 65% keyboard, not a 60%. Which means that while you lose the page key over here, you don't have the function row, that's a bit annoying. But you still have these keys over here. You got delete, you got page up, page down, and you've got the arrow keys, which are all very, very important keys that I very, very much need. If I do end up getting this board, which there's a decent chance I will, decent chance I won't, I'm not entirely sure yet. I'll probably be getting this board in either white or pink, and it will be the barebone edition that I'm getting, because I have switches. I can't see paying $40 extra for switches and glorious keycaps. Aluminum top frame provides superior strength with a satisfying weight, minimal design with a smooth and uniform finish. 5-pin hop swap, which I believe the other board, you know what? I actually don't remember. This is, I know you can't see it because my overhead webcam's actually terrible, but this is 3-pin, not 5-pin. So 5-pin hot swap, very, very nice. Vibrant RGB lighting, 18 pre-installed effects. Sleek side lights, oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Designed to be redesigned. Personalize the GMMK2 to your needs. Also, quick little fun fact, the GMMK1, while there have been redesigns and whatnot, and the original is obviously no longer the case, the GMMK1 has been out since 2016. Made to stand out. Oh, yes, the LED sidebars. Let's go. Radically customizable lighting effects are just the cherry on top. Cherry MX Browns. I'm kidding. If you use Cherry MX Browns, unsubscribe from my channel. Powerful software. Okay, uses Glorious Core, that's nice, and addictive acoustics. The GMMK's quality material, strict build requirements, and tray mounting system eliminate the potential for creaks or squeaks. What about scratches, though? Didn't think about that. Thick dampening foam oh, there's dampening foam in it. That's heckin' nice. Thick dampening foam absorbs typing vibrations to produce a full-bodied sound. Lubricated switches and stabilizers fight any ping or rattling, providing a satisfying thock. They said thock. They said the thing. They said, alright, now I'm definitely buying this only because they put that in there. But if they would have spelled it with 2 C's, I would have donated $20 to them. So this is the 65%, very pog. The question is, do you think it's worth it? The extra 40 for the keycaps and the switches, because I know that these are like the GMMK switches, so those are like $35, and then it's technically worth it. But the question is, do I want to use my own keycaps, or do I want to pay the extra little bit of money to have them? Okay, there is feet as well, and Glorious is big on the bottom. I can live with that. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the first look at the GMMK2, and I will probably, maybe, be getting this board and officially building the Timibug 3. Anyways, thank you for tuning in to Nerd News Central, and until the next time, I will talk to y'all later. Goodbye!